Saraswati Vidya Mandir Sinidi under the guidance of Sahodaya School Complex, Dhanbad. Now the topic is ICT integration in education. In this topic, we have to discuss these terms, definition of ICT, characteristic of ICT, benefits of ICT, ICT tools and digital techniques, computer technology, web-based learning, digital library. First of all, we have to discuss why we can use technology. Any technology which increase the rate of learning would enable the teacher to teach less and the learner to learn more. Now come to the topic. It's ICT. I stands for information. It refers to process data or communication. It refers to the transfer of knowledge and information from one person to another or forming of generation resources are used broadcast media, etc. Now we can say that ICT means information that is communicated with the help of technology. Information and communication technology. It's IT. Information technology is defined the study of output information. Is the process of sending or receiving and exchanging information. Why we need ITC literacy? Communication tools or access, manage, integrate, evaluate, and create information in order to function tools. First one is email. It is used to send or receive the message through internet. Video conferencing. We can chat or call with the help of video conferencing. LAN, MAN, and WAN. These are the communication uh, way to send or receive the message locally or globally. Some messaging apps like WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook. With these apps, we can send or receive the message. And tools of communication: radio, newspaper, television, chart folder, slides, computer, telephone and mobiles, teleconferencing, and digital library. Usage of information technology, ICT. Basically, it is used for word processing, storing the data, database software, presentation software, desktop publishing, graphic software, accounting package, computer aided design, customer relationship management. In word processing, we can create documents, letter, project, assignments. In a spreadsheet, we can manage all the records in systematic manners. Database, we can store related information. Graphic software to prepare teaching learning resources. Developing multimedia case to make process interesting. Using internet and email facility to gain the knowledge. Using the internet and email facility to gain the knowledge. Using the internet and email facility to gain the knowledge. Using the internet and email facility to gain the knowledge. Using the internet and email facility to gain the knowledge. Using the internet and email facility to gain the knowledge. Using the internet and email facility to gain the knowledge. Using the internet and email facility to gain the knowledge. Using the internet and email facility to gain the knowledge. Using the internet and email facility to gain the knowledge. Using the internet and email facility to gain the knowledge. Using the internet and email facility to gain the knowledge. Using the internet and email facility to gain the knowledge. Using the internet and email facility to gain the knowledge. Using the internet and email facility to gain the knowledge. Using the internet and email facility to gain the knowledge. Using the internet and email facility to gain the knowledge. Using the internet and email facility to quality of learning. How to use ICT effectively. Learner use computer-based services to search and find relevant information. Learners retrieve relevant information. Learners decode information in a variety of forms like written, statistical, and graphics. Learners critically evaluate information of different fields of knowledge. Learning can be used computer-based services to write, analyze, present, and communicate information. Learner can also be used to inform technologies to create networks of co-learners and to share, collaborate, and conduct knowledge. Some characteristic of ICT-based education: it's faster, cheaper, fewer steps, less people, customized, personalized, archival. We can ICT-based education. The importance of ICT. As a source of knowledge, as a medium of transit knowledge, as a means of interaction, dialogues. Attributes of ICT-based technology: multi-sensory delivery means we can send the text, graphs, animation, sound, and video. Active learning. It enhances the learner to interest on every topic. To cooperative learning, positive or group social interaction. Communication skill. It's defined. We can communicate with one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many. Next one is multicultural education. It's linked from across the country or around the world. Motivation. In IT-based education, it a greater learner engagement. It's a comparison between traditional medium and ICT medium. In traditional medium, we can use chalk and talk and books method, but in ICT-based education, we can use computers, multimedias, internet, and also e-books and e-lectures. Now the comparison in classroom, in technical traditional classroom, physical limited or synchronized. In ICT-based education, unlimited person we can add or join. Content, unlimited books in the ICT-based education, multimedia, PowerPoint, digital library, and number of books are available here. Personalization, one learning path, and in ICT education, learning path and pace determined by learner. Advantages of ICT: sharing digital resources, wide variety of services, flexibility, reliability, faster speed, and cheaper cost. Influence of ICT student learning. ICT helps to provide interactive learning experience with the help of a digital board. ICT simulates and motivate a student to learn. ICT provide comfortable learning. ICT adds in understanding of difficult concepts and processes. It caters to different learning styles. ICT helps to a student to gain valuable computer skills. In ICT, it collaborate and group work. The unique features of ICT. ICT facilitate collaboration and communication. It visualization of difficult concept. It promote creativity. It enables multiple effect of document, provide flexibility and variety of learning, and it also shows the multimedia effects on particular topic and every topic. This is a digital library, the new concept added in the ICT based education. It is a collection of textual memory graphics, audio, video, data are stored in digital form, indexed and logically linked for ease of retrieval. ICT focus on the learner. First one is motivating, engaging the learner. It means in the classroom, a student motivation refers to the degree to which a student puts effort into and focus on learning. In order to achieve successful outcomes, motivation and engagement are very important sound to a student learning. Second one is offering personal approaches to learning. It means personalized learning is an education. Next one is unleashing creativity in learning. It means it provides the tools for process an audience of all ages and ability and across the curriculum. Next one is allowing independence in learning. The use of ICT tools has significant roles in making the learners more independent and autonomous. Now, the last one is developing collaborative and teamwork. With the help of this technology, people can now efficiently communicate to no matter the distance between them. Using business communication apps, employees can send messages, share files, set up conference call, and create online forms on lines of communication that are kept open at all times. Now, some merits of ICT-based education. It ensures lifelong learning. It's enable distance learning, ability to perform impossible experiment by using simulation video conferencing. We can consult many experts by video conferencing. Online examination can be create manpower uses. The demerits of ICT. Large cost involved. A child imagination power decreases or ability to imagine vanishes. Some challenges to improve ICT in the field of education. Teacher has to learn how to use variety of ICT application. Teacher has to use, adapt and design ICT enhanced curriculum. Teachers to expand the content area of knowledge. Teachers has to take new roles. Teacher has to respond to individual student. These are the ICT challenges. Now, at the end, to teach or not to teach, education is not the question. The real question is how to harvest the power of technology to meet the challenges of 21st century and make education relevant, responsive and effective for everyone, anywhere and anytime. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Vikas sir, for such a wonderful session.